The Lord is speaking to you today from Ezekiel 36, verse 8. But you, mountains of Israel, will grow branches and bear fruit for my people, Israel. My people will come home soon. This verse talks about blessings, restoration, future glory. Maybe you have lost your dear ones, your blessings. Maybe you're going through hurt, brokenness, rejection, abandonment. Whatever situation you're going through, don't lose hope. The Lord will restore all that you have lost. He will give you blessings. Restoration is on your way. Receive it.